Welcome to our guide on transferring your domain from Squarespace to Showit in 2025. Understanding this process is essential for seamless website management. Before you initiate the transfer, make sure you've completed these essential steps within your Squarespace account. To start the transfer, you need to unlock your domain. Let's walk through how to do this within your Squarespace settings. Next, you'll need to obtain your domain's authorization code, which is a key step in the transfer process. Now, let's start the transfer process on the Showit platform. Here's how to initiate it. During the transfer process, you'll be prompted to enter your authorization code. Make sure to input it correctly. Once the transfer is initiated, you may need to adjust some DNS settings to ensure your website functions properly. Typically, the transfer process takes a few days. Here's what to expect while waiting for completion. Once completed, it's crucial to verify that your domain was successfully transferred to Showit. And that's a wrap. For further assistance, don't hesitate to check out additional resources linked below.